In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, we need to open up Facebook Messenger app, and then we need to get into a group conversation. As of now, we can create polls just at group conversations, guys. To continue, tap right here at this plus. Also, you can first off tap right here at that text field, and then to show up this plus button again, you need just to tap right here and then hit on it. After that, switch to that tab where you can easily find this poll tool, and here we can start with poll question. We can enter here any question such as color. We can enter favorite color, of course, and down below here we can enter some options. To add new one, just switch to the next text field. That's how we can easily add several options here. And then to create a poll, just hit at that button. After that, it will immediately share this poll to that group conversation. And then any user can vote on it. That's how we can vote. And then also we can change our vote. In that way, by the way, we can select several options at once here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.